How to buy on StockX. Quick and easy. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a purchase on StockX. So as you can see here, this is the homepage, stockx.com. And if you haven't created an account, all you need is an email address and a password, and you can sign in. So if you want to make a purchase, so the first thing you need to do is locate what you're actually purchasing. So how do we do this? So we can either go over here, we can tap on browse on the top right hand side, so you can now browse between sneakers, shoes, apparel, electronics, and so forth. The next way you can do this is you can search for a brand, you can search for a color, or any other sort of keyword or subcategory that you would like to actually search for right over there. Now, another thing you want to do is go over to your accounts on the right hand side over here, and you can actually go into the buying tab, and once you tap that, you'll be able to see active bids that you have bid on other products. You'll also be able to see your progress orders as well as your complete orders, and this is basically what that page looks like. So you can see everything right over here, so there's nothing active currently. Then another thing you want to do is once you want to start making a purchase, you can go ahead and you can tap in whatever you need to over here, or if you tap on browse, it'll take you to this page. So this is basically what we are going to do. I'm going to use this as an example. We're going to go in for the Nike Dunk Low Retro White Black Panda. So that's this one over here. You can just tap on that. Now, the first thing you need to do is know what size you are going to be purchasing. So it is good to know your size, and it's also good to know that the brand that you're purchasing, it's good to know what sort of sizes they make. So if you're making a purchase, your sizing is correct, and of course knowing what specific product you are purchasing. So once you're on this page, you now have all the information on your actual shoe. You can now use this over here. It is a great tool. You can see your shoe or whatever product you're wanting to purchase all the way around in a 360 view. So you can also see there are some related products, and then if you look at the right hand side over here, you will see that there is a size bar which you can go ahead and you can actually start looking for the correct size. So we're going to go in and we're going to have a look for a size, and we can go ahead and we can choose this US men's size 8. Right, so the next thing we want to do is we are going to tap on the buy for $90, and that is the current price. You can also have a look at what it was sold for last. So over here there's some information. It was last sold for $136. You can also view the asks, you can also view the bids, and you can also view the sales. The condition of the shoe is new, and also you can have a look at their policies and their promises right over here just to stay safe. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and you can tap on this buy for $90, and it'll bring you over to your next page, which now basically it's like a summary of your sale. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead down over here on the right hand side, and you can see what the total price is, and then you go down and you can see the subtotal, which includes your processing fees. Your final price is calculated at your checkout, so that's great. And you can also now provide your shipping information if you do not have any shipping information already put in here, right over here. You can also add your payment method, which you will need to do so you can make a purchase. And then if you have a discount code, you can go ahead and tap on the add, and it'll give you a window. You'll be able to enter your discount code over here, and once your discount code is in, you can just tap on apply, and it'll be right in there. And once you tap next, you'll basically get to your checkout, and you can just verify all your details, including your discount code, the discount, the price, your size. If there's color variations, you can check out and verify those color variations, and then also your shipping address. Make sure that that shipping address is correct, and then additionally your payment method. Make sure that your payment method is verified and correct. And once you've done that, you just tap on complete, and you will complete your purchase, and you will be shortly the owner of a new pair of sneakers or whatever else you have purchased. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.